there are things in HTML called tables, which are very useful for setting out pieces of information, and in some occasions layout as well can actually be done with tables. So just before we do that, I'm going to resize our image here back to something a bit more sensible, so we're not looking at a horribly scaled image. So inserting a table is extremely straightforward. We start with the table tag, and as before, I'm going to close the table tag at the bottom so I don't forget to do it later. Now, every table consists of rows and columns, so we're going to start by defining a table row with the table row tag tr. Now, this table row is going to be a header row. So I'm going to use the th tag to define a table header cell. So each bit of a table is called a table cell, and I'm going to define some header tables. So I'm going to do a table of the people in my family. You can do anything you like. So I'm going to choose the columns names. I'm going to have another one called age, and a third one, called gender. Okay, I've made the gender a tag. Don't want to be doing that. Okay, so table row, and then table header names, table header age, table header gender. And now I'm going to close my table row. I'll give you a moment to do that yourself. All right, let's just have a look at what that looks like before we fill in the rest of the data. Oh, I didn't save it. There we go. So it's now just names, age, gender. It doesn't really look like a table at all yet because we haven't put any data in. All right, so I want another table row. And in this table row, I'm now just going to have a normal cell. And we do that by using the td tag. So I'll put myself first, Rob /td, a second table cell, another td, I'm 33, close that cell, another cell, male. Great. Save, refresh, let's have a look. Excellent. So you can see that the table header and the table, the normal table rows are formatted differently. The table header row is bold and the normal row is not. I'll just put in a couple more. I'm going to copy and paste so you don't need to watch me type. Not for too long anyway. So my wife will come next. She's called Kirsten. She's 34 and she's female. And finally, my son Tom, who is 3 years of age and male. Save, have a look. Nice. It's not a beautiful table, and when we learn about styles, we'll learn how to make tables look much more attractive, but it does the job. You can see everything's quite nicely aligned, so it's all clear and easy to read. Right, that is how you put a table into a web page.